Hi guys, so for today's activity, we are going to be using the same 6 words that you use for Tuesday's activity as well as Wednesday's activity. So Tuesday you guys created definitions, Wednesday you created paragraphs, today you're going to be creating drawings. So you're going to want to create one drawing for each of the 6 vocabulary terms that we have done. Again, the vocabulary terms will be in the description of this assignment, so that way you guys remember what terms we are using. So for the drawing, you're going to want to create one drawing for each of the vocabulary words, and the picture that you create should represent the word that you are drawing. So I did mine on the word altercation, and I just did it on a little note card. I'm going to show you this more close up so that way you can see what it actually looks like, but I just wanted to show you that I just did it on a note card. It does not have to be extravagant in any way. You do not have to be a good drawer because I am not artistic at all. It can be simple. You can use stick figures. I do not care. I would prefer if you use color because it would make it a little bit more fun, but you don't have to, but it's always an option. So here's a closer up image of what I drew. So this, I'm sorry if you hear my cat, this lightning bolt kind of represents the tension between the two people. These are them talking or yelling at each other, and then I have the word written right here, so that way you know what definition this drawing goes to. So you want to make sure that you're being clear under each picture. You want to write what word goes with that picture. So this is mine. It's very simple. I colored it so it's a little bit more vibrant, but it does not have to be anything super extravagant. It can be simple. So that's what you're going to want to do, is something like this for all 6 of your words. And I will see you tomorrow for the next assignment. Have a good one.